No crack line there.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Old Escort, followed by its younger brother, the Focus. RS. That's nice and clean. RS10 pop. Let's see if it does pop. Yep, it pops. It's a good number plate, that. XR4. Yeah. Don't see many of them on the road anymore. And there's virtually one of each colour here, look. White, black and blue Mark III RS's. Nice bonnet vents on that one. WRC style. The blue one's going left. White one's going right. Followed by the grey one. Another cabbie. That's an XR3i if you didn't believe me. It says it on the number plate. He's got his tunes on, ready for the way home. Oh yes. That one there's got a cage hiding in the back. Come on guys, in the comments. Mark III or a Mark II 5-pot. I want to know what you're saying. And here's another one. Right mate, had a good day? See you mate. Followed by this beautiful Performance Blue Focus ST. We've got this Mondeo, we know the owner, it's Aaron. Alright mate. Looking smart. Mark 1 RS. Ian Taylor. ST, oh yeah. We've also got this Focus RS here. Followed by another one. Yes, that sounds well. That RS is hot. Nice little wave. I know, because it says it on the number plate. Some bikers here. They're loud. Hijacking the video. Not forget the Sierra RS Cosworth. Oh, that sounded nice. Got another RS. We have the Germans. BMW stacked full of stock by the looks of it. Must have been on one of the trade stalls. So we've got another convoy coming. Like the black roof on that. I'm sure them number plates are virtually identical. Mark 7, Escort, Range Rover getting in the way. Nice Cosworth. Oh yeah. a look, guys. Another Sierra Cosworth. Tow bar on that one, look. Pull your caravan. Got a couple of car transporters coming out now. I wonder what's lurking in these. Pulled by a nice Transit. Nice Brian James there. North Wales Rally Services. And we've got a Sierra here, making nice noises. Oh, sounds a bit boggy, that one. And a Cosy that we missed but we wanted to include is there. Nice red Escort coming up. Alright. Thumbs up in the XR3i. And look at that, for all you camper fans. Ultimate green. What's your favourite colour, Mark II RS? Stick it in the comments. This chap's called Reese. Recognise this car off Facebook. It's had a few different choices of wheel colours, I think, that one, if I remember rightly. Sounds well though. Golf 4, the Imposter. It's a nice clean Mark IV estate, isn't it? ST. By an RS 2000. And we've also got this Escort. Stealth Grey RS. Yeah, that sounds nice. Well done, Kev. Sounds good, mate. Money well spent. And we've got another cabriolet. Little wave there. That's smart, isn't it? It's very clean. XR2i. Hey, we know this guy. We're seeing him tomorrow. Mr. Black. Followed by Mark III RS. Nice. Ooh, a white Cosy. Yes, please. Look at that. Absolutely amazing. Here comes Timmy. How are we doing, mate? You alright?
How are we doing, man?
Alright, you had a good day?
Yeah, good.
You back tomorrow?
No.
See you later. Whoa! Shots fired, Tim. Nice estate here with the STOC stickers. Thank you for supporting the club. And a BMW Imposter. Another nice clean Mark II RS. Gleaming white. Look at this beauty. You alright, mate?
Alright, fella.
Absolutely stunning. Look at the shine coming off the paintwork. XR3i. That one's worth a bit. Mark 8 ST. Just feeling a little bit sad on the number plate there. Another Mark 2 RS on trade plates, that one. Here he goes. Oh yes. Gotta love a 5-pot. That one sounds well as well. Ah, we got a couple of Mark 3 focusers. First one's an ST. Diesel by the sounds of it. And we got this red one, which is a petrol Hoonigan. Look at this beauty. Lovely. Oh, T-Reg, that one. Alright, mate. Stealthy, aren't they, them RS's in the grey? Look at this old one here. Lovely. Lovely colour. Followed by a Mark 3 Focus ST. Look at this van, that's nice.